All right, guys, Brendan with Quack back here. Welcome back. We're gonna be doing a little bit of a shooting and kind of tutorial video today. And the basics overview that we're gonna be doing is how to sight in, or an easier way to sight in your rifle, especially if it's like a bolt action or something that you can kind of see through the barrel. It'll get you on paper. So when you first get your rifle and you're first trying to, get it sighted in, it can be tough sometimes shooting at 25 yards or more where you really have no idea where you're shooting. And then you got to put some in the ground just to kind of see where the dirt flies up. So with this method, it should help you at least get on paper. And then from there you can dial it in. So things you'll need: something with a scope. This is my Mosin that's been sporterized. It's got a scout scope on it. And what we'll do, put this on here. I've never actually shot it, so this will be like true bore sighting. We will be sighting this in for real. What you're gonna do is you are going to look through your barrel and you're gonna put it on, say, a target, and then you're gonna kind of keep it where it is. And what you're gonna try to do is basically just move your reticle to what this sees. And this is just gonna be a big broad view. So I got my target downrange. All I'm gonna do is try to put this barrel on that target, and then I'm gonna try to center it in, and that should get me on paper, and then I should be able to dial it in pretty close from there, and then be able to shoot out to 100 or 50. This is a 50-yard range. So hopefully we'll see how that goes. I believe this is shooting way to the left. So let's see if I can get like a video of what it looks like. So you can kind of see through there. As we come up, you'll see roughly where we're looking. So I'm on target there. This one's hard to see, but we are shooting to the right. So just by judging by that last one, we know that it's gonna be a little bit to the left right now, our scope should be. So I'm gonna get this just on the left side of this target, and we'll see what that does. All right, let's get ready to put some downrange. See how we do. That thing kicks like a mule. All right, so we'll take you down there, but of course there's always one that gets stuck. But anyway, we'll deal with that later. I just want to show you where this first one went. So we're clear, by the way, nobody else is here. It's just me. And with just those little adjustments, that's our first shot. So we can see from that shot, my left to right was correct. It's a little bit high now, so we can just bring that down or see where that's gonna shoot at that guy. But yeah, I might take it a couple over and then, a little bit down, but that pretty much on target, first shot. So we lucked out there. So we'll make those adjustments. I'll put another one, see if I can get dead target, dead center. See at least how this gun shoots. I forgot, so I have shot this gun before. So I'm good. We want to bring it right just a little bit. And let's bring it down. Okay. Like a fucking mule. Don't shoot this fucking gun. All right, guys. Thanks for coming out to the range with me today. Brendan Quackpack. See you in the next one. All right, guys. Thanks for watching today's video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to click that little bell to get notified whenever we post a video.